Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can generate logos on Picsart by using AI. So, select these design logos there and just press on it. And this is where it gets interesting. I don't know if this is a pro feature, but here you're going to enter your brand name. I'm just going to enter my old brand name. And I'll use this color story because it used to be like pink. I do like the color pink. It says, what industry best matches your business? So I am going to select beauty and spa because it matches that the most. And let's hit the generate button and see what Picsart will generate for my brand. Okay, cute. It's not the absolute best, but it's not the absolute worst. You can also show more results here if you're not happy with that one. You can also show background colors as well here. I kind of like this one. This one's a little bit similar. I just don't like the font here. I don't know if you can change that, but that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.